Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching on how you can properly clean your Soilless Snail pen. Before we go right into it, if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining the Jug Snail Farm team. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you for being here and always engaging on my content. Now, to clean your Soilless Snail pen, the first thing is to ensure that all your snails are moved into one side of the pen, and then you properly sweep the other side, as you can see in this video. So you sweep properly and then you move in your mulching material into the side that you have swept. After moving your mulching materials, the next thing is for you to move your snails gently. Be sure that you move the snails in such a way that you did not crack their shells. Once you are done moving all the snails, you continue to sweep and pack the remaining mulching materials. I believe that there is no proper way of soilless farming, or how am I going to put it? I want to say that there is nothing like 100% soilless farming for growing snails, because mind you, you need your soil to incubate your eggs. Your soil still plays a major role in bringing your baby snails to life. So yes, even as you operate a soilless system for your adult snails, to incubate their eggs, you still need your soil. So this will be helpful for individuals that cannot get access to a large quantity of snails. Students that are in Abuja, Nasarawa, or locations where you cannot have access to good loamy soil in large quantity. You can inculcate the soilless system of farming snails and use the small soil that you can get to hatch your eggs. Once your eggs also finish hatching and you have your baby snails, you can go back onto soilless farming. You can continue to grow your baby snails without soil, but for you to hatch your baby snails, you need soil. So back to our video, you pack all the dirt, all the poo. These are the poo that we got from the snails. This can also serve as manure. So if you have a garden, this waste, you just pour it in your garden to help you fertilize your soil. Now the next phase after you have finished cleaning your snail pen is to spread your snails around. Give them space. Give them space properly, and then you introduce your mulching material back to them. If you have enough mulching material, you can put some of these mulching materials beneath, introduce your snails rather, and also put in your mulching materials. So I don't have much of the mulching materials here, so I'm only using the mulching materials to cover the snails for now. And the next phase is to wet your snails. Give them water generously because we are in the dry season. I believe that this video puts in more light on how you can properly clean your soilless snail pen. A snail pen is ready and you can close your pen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.